How to fix your account cannot be created at this time Apple ID. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the your account cannot be created at this time error when trying to create an Apple ID on your iPhone or iPad. If you've run into this issue, keep watching and I'll walk you through the solutions. First, let's make sure there is no issue with Apple servers. Sometimes the error can be caused by a temporary problem with Apple services. To check this, go to Apple System Status page. Simply type in Apple System page. Now, if you see any issues with Apple ID or iCloud services, this might be the cause of the error and you'll need to wait until it's resolved. Here you can see all services are operating normally. If it's not the case, now let's make sure your device is running the latest version of iOS or iPad OS. Simply go to Settings, tap on General, and tap on Software Update. If there's an update available, go ahead and install it. Keeping your device up to date can often fix bugs and prevent errors like this. Another thing to check is the date and time settings. Sometimes if the date and time are incorrect, you might run into issues like creating an Apple ID. To do this, simply go to Settings, back on General, simply find date and time and make sure automatically set is turned on. Next, now make sure your internet connection is working properly. A weak or unstable connection can interfere with creating an Apple ID. Check that you're connected to a strong Wi-Fi network, or if you're using cellular data, make sure you have a stable connection. Now, if you have another Apple ID signed in your device, it might prevent you from creating a new one. Simply go to Settings, tap on your name, scroll down and simply click on Sign Out. And make sure you sign out of iCloud, Apple Store and any other services linked to the account. And that's it. Those are the steps to fix your account cannot be created